Good morning to all. Today is 5th September, so wish you happy Teacher Day to all. My name is Arun Patil. Today is a special day for me because of my newborn daughter's naming ceremony done yesterday, and she will enter in my house today. So on this occasion, I have a plan for plant 5 trees in nearest creek. So we are promoting Go Green initiative, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, and plant a tree, save nature. This initiative we have started. So we are reached in nursery. So we pick here 5 trees. So we will go for plantation. There are a lot of trees here. So we'll pick up best 5 trees here. So let's go. So guys, we have pick up here 5 trees. So first one was nuts and badam. Second was pomegranate. Third was guava. Fourth was mango, and fifth was lemon. So here is 3 lemon was growing here. So these 5 trees we are going to plant in nearest creek. So let's go spot. So this is the spot, so where we are going to plant these trees. So let's start. Finally our plantation done. So I show you where I plant this tree. So let's go. This is first tree, lemon tree. So I have plant here. Second was nut tree here. So third one is mango. So mango plant here. Fourth one guava. So I have plant here guava. and fifth one pomegranate. So I have plant here. There are a lot of plastic garbage here, so I request you to clean up your environment. So plastic is very harmful for environment, nature. So I have come here, so I pick up some plastic and get back that dustbin. So don't throw plastic in a public place or nature such like this. Thank you.